Nice windows. Bedspread looks just like those pillows right there, which is underneath the bed here, where there's a lot of nice storage, which is full of stuff. We're here. And there's 2 windows, 2 of those foam pads. Could sleep 8 people up here if you needed to. Looks like this. A wonderful shower, very large, high ceilings. And I'm not a small gal. My dad, they have the same camper cabinet. And there's the stool. Kind of comes around on an angle. That fan works fine. Cupboards above. Full-size refrigerator. Stainless steel. More cupboard. Nice stove. Everything works on it. It's got a broiler. Everything works great. Very nice. Cabinet there. Works good. All 4 chairs open like that. When you're traveling, there's hooks on the floor and straps that we still have that hook into the chairs to hold them from moving and such. Nice light fixtures. And a ceiling fan. And one of these does the light. There's the light. Okay. So, entertainment center. Nice entertainment center with